School vocabulary. Desk. Desk. This is my desk. Marker. Marker. I use a marker to write. Chalk. Chalk. The teacher writes with chalk. Eraser. Eraser. I erase my mistakes with an eraser. Map. Map. There is a world map on the wall. Globe. Globe. The globe shows all the countries. Projector. Projector. The teacher uses a projector in class. Pen. Pen. I write with a pen. Pencil. Pencil. I draw with a pencil. Notebook. Notebook. I write notes in my notebook. Ruler. Ruler. I use a ruler to draw lines. Sharpener. Sharpener. I sharpen my pencil with a sharpener. Crayon. Crayon. Children color pictures with crayons. Highlighter. Highlighter. I highlight important words. Folder. Folder. I keep my papers in a folder. Binder. Binder. My binder holds all my subjects. Paper. Paper. I need paper to write on. Math. Math. Math is my favorite subject. Science. Science. We learn about nature in science. English. English. I speak and write in English. History. History. We study the past in history class. Geography. Geography. Geography teaches us about the earth. Art. Art. We paint and draw in art class. Music. Music. We sing songs in music class. Physical education pay. Physical education pay. We play sports in pay class. Computer. Computer. We learn typing on the computer. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher helps us learn. Student. Student. I'm a student. Principal. Principal. The principal is the head of the school. Classmate. Classmate. My classmate is very kind. Librarian. Librarian. The librarian works in the library. Janitor. Janitor. The janitor cleans the school. Counselor. Counselor. The counselor helps students with problems. Coach. Coach. The coach trains the team. Secretary. Secretary. The secretary works in the office. Assistant. Assistant. The assistant helps the teacher. Study. Study. I study every day. Read. Read. I read books in the library. Write. Write. I write neatly in my notebook. Listen. Listen. I listen to the teacher carefully. Ask. Ask. I ask questions in class. Answer. Answer. I answer the teacher's questions. Discuss. Discuss. We discuss the lesson together. Present. Present. I present my project to the class. Play. Play. We play games at school. Participate. Participate. I participate in all activities. Subscribe for more.